line stop. Polished is the chrome, all shiny and new and fresh like a home. But there's one more chapter to go. I climbed the highest hill, planted a flag at the top. Found my true voice, and my dreams never stop. But there's one thing still to do. Sometimes I feel like I'm at the end of the line, but I know I need something more. There's an aching deep in my bones, yet to explore. I'm tempted by ease to stay in my comfort zone. No risk but no reward, sitting on a hollow throne. But there's one more thing I'd like to know. Sometimes I feel like the walls are closing in, but I'm looking for something new. Well, I need to make a change just one more time to cut through. Still have an itch to turn the page. A dog can learn new tricks, a bird can fly a cage, but there's one more act to go. Sometimes I feel like I'm hanging by a thread, still I'm looking for something true. There's a burning deep in my heart, it's time you knew. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll stretch myself again.